Welcome to another video at Stula Home Lab. Today we're at the river again, Stula River Excursions, and I'm cooking for a group of people. We're looking about chicken back and curry chicken back, Jamaican national dish, second national dish. You know, you have your banana with it, yam and breadfruit. You know, so you know the river nice up at Chelsea there, Chelsea, Portland. You know, the pot have to go and bubble, you know. Yeah, banana dumpling, dasheen, roast breadfruit. I say curry chicken back, a bubble already. Yeah, Jamaica second national dish. So you know the river is very peaceful and very vibes at the same time. You get that soothing, calming vibe when you're at the river banks. You know, this is a wonderful spot, I must say. The water is crystal clear, very cool, and it's perfect for a hot day. Even on a regular temperature day, it's the water is very cleansing and pure. Anybody ever had roast plantain in it? Well, this is roast plantain, roasting the skin right at the fireside, and my guess is loving it. You should try it. You can try this at home. Roast plantain, just roast it on the fire in the skin, right plan. Yeah. So as you can see, the view is very beautiful. It's beautiful there also. And it was good vibes, you know. Everybody enjoyed themselves. So it was a good vibe. As you can see, the dish is complete: dumpling, banana, breadfruit, yam, curry chicken back. You know. So it was a good vibe at the river. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the notification bell.